started off early this morning with a big gap between a low at the coast and then an upper level low in the western part of the state. The gap is beginning to shrink, and that dry air was limiting snow totals to start with. So our amounts of snow that we see right in the triangle maybe a little bit lower because we started off dry in those places. We've seen plenty of snow so far up around Roxborough. It's beginning to pick up, especially in our eastern counties, and it will likely in our southern counties as well. The heaviest snow that we're going to end up seeing widespread will come late this afternoon into the evening and overnight. We're looking at dangerous cold temperatures for today and tomorrow as well. The best looking camera, if you're a snow lover, continues to be Roxborough. Just lots and lots of snow coming down. You can see the road covering, the snow covering the road, is covering the cars. It's really, starting to add up a little bit there. No reason to believe that we won't see that in all of the viewing area. We're looking at 1 to 3 inches from Roxborough down toward the triangle as we start to see the gap close up. It hasn't quite closed, so we still have some counties that aren't seeing very much snow, but definitely seeing more of it along and east of I-95. Plenty of snow once you get back into the Triad, into the mountains, and down here to South Carolina too. This is going to wrap around and eventually lift up across our part of North Carolina. So we're watching that snow in upper South Carolina. We're going to see that at some point. This is a look at the radar, and again, you can see some of that snow along and even all the way, back almost into Wake County. Some of this sort of leading back edge right here isn't reaching the ground because it's just going to take a little bit of time for it to fall and moisten up the atmosphere. So some of that's evaporating, but we're going to close that gap and end up with some measurable snowfall, maybe more like 1 to 3 from South Hill back down to maybe parts of Harnett County. But once you get east of Raleigh, really along that I-95 corridor, we're talking maybe 3 to 6 inches, and same thing back across the Sandhills and say south of Raleigh as well. So looking at that continuing to develop. As a matter of fact, we can see that here on Futurecast at 11 o'clock. There may be still some pockets where we're not seeing a whole lot of snow, but by mid to late afternoon, we should see those pockets filling in, and we'll see waves of some heavier snow across our area during the evening, all the way up until maybe 3 or 4 a.m., and then it starts to move out of the area. And then, boy, cold's going to be the biggest situation after that. An upper level low that was over the western part of the state, and then our coastal low here at the surface, both bringing some snowfall totals with a gap in between. But what happens next is the upper level low will continue to gradually slide eastward. The low that's sitting off the coast will become a bit stronger and also help to fill in that gap. And that will help to bring us more snow as we get into the afternoon and evening. What we will see all day is the windy conditions, and that means we have dangerous cold in our forecast. And Chris is going to tell us a bit more about that.
Yeah, pretty much all of North Carolina, all of South Carolina, Georgia, with this extreme cold warning. Now for us, that's going to mean wind chills near or below zero heading into tonight and tomorrow morning. So this is on the backside of the system as we start to clear things out. Just absolutely brutal wind chills in Asheville and in Boone, where it could be anywhere from 10 to 25 degrees below zero there. So yeah, that cold is a force to be reckoned with for sure. This happens as that storm system strengthens offshore, and Elizabeth was showing you that. You see how it kind of winds up, and you get some gustier winds tonight into tomorrow morning. Still breezy at times tomorrow with gusts around 20 to 30. I do think this model kind of undersells the potential for the wind gusts because we're already seeing gusts in excess of 30. So I would imagine 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts today, about 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts heading into the day tomorrow. Now, in terms of the next 7 days, today we see that snow hole gradually filling up across the area. It's out of the area tomorrow, but it's just downright cold. Temperatures in the teens, again, wind chills at or below zero. High temperature only near freezing tomorrow. Next several mornings in the teens, and then we gradually thaw out a little bit. Highs will be in the low to mid 40s by Tuesday and Wednesday.